Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been wondering how to cancel your Amazon Prime auto payment in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether you no longer need the service or just want to avoid future charges, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a quick tip on how to make sure your cancellation is fully confirmed so you don't get billed again. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Once you're there, head over to the top right corner and click on Sign In. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Without signing in, you won't be able to access your membership details. After logging in, hover your mouse over the Account and Lists option at the top right. From the drop-down menu, select Account. This will take you straight to your account dashboard. Now, look for the section called Your Account. Inside that, you'll find a link labeled Prime. Go ahead and click it. This will bring you to the page with all your Prime membership details. On this page, find and click on Manage Membership. Here's where the important part comes in. Scroll down and you'll see the option to end membership. Once you click that, Amazon may try to keep you by showing some perks or offering a reminder option instead of cancellation. Stay focused and choose the end membership option. Next, you'll need to confirm how you want the cancellation to work. You'll usually see two options: either end your Prime membership immediately or let it run until your next billing date and then stop. Pick the option that works best for you. Finally, carefully read through the prompts and click the confirmation button. Once that's done, you'll see a confirmation notice that your Prime membership has been set to end, and that's it. You've successfully canceled your Amazon Prime auto payment in just a few minutes. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.